If I have to see the ad from a specific fitness influencer one more time between February 16th and March 1st, I can glow your glutes like crazy. Follow my fitness program for free. I'm going to blow up because it's not actually what you're going to need. It's going to be stuff that's going to lower your swelling, and you're going to see a difference with that, and that's about it. Your glutes aren't going to look like fucking Kim Kardashian or Kylie Jenner. You're going to see some reduced bloating, and that's it. Do you want to know what you need to do? Do you want to know what you need to do? And I'm going to tell you the 3 major days that you need and the 3 exercises for each of those days that are simple, classic, and going to grow your legs and, more importantly, your glutes. Because when ladies say they want popping glutes, what you really want are juicy legs. Let me break it down for you. Day 1 is going to be quads, and this day is going to kill you. I'm sorry, but it is. You're gonna need the full 2 days to recover if you're new to the gym. You're gonna wanna do back squats, start with the bar, then add weight. You can do this on the Smith machine or the barbell machine. Just barbell machine. Do it on a squat rack. And then add weight, okay? After that, you're gonna do lunges weighted. Not regular lunges, weighted lunges. I'm trying to scream over this plane. These suck, but they work. After that, you're going to do leg curls. No, leg extensions. Okay, I get the 2 mixed up. I'm sorry. I'm just like that. You're gonna need the full 2 days to recover, especially if you do cardio after. Then you're gonna go in for your ham day. Ham day is going to be why you're going to need arm days in the future, ladies. So do heavy weight on your arm days once you get to this point. You're going to do RDLs, barbell, and dumbbell variation. You don't need to be fancy and stand on a little 5-pound weight and give yourself a little bit of elevation and do single leg RDLs. You don't need to do all of that. Just do the fucking RDLs. You're gonna wanna feel it in your hams and your glutes. You're working your lower chain both of these days. All of these days. Okay? Start with the bar, add weight. With your dumbbells, start with 10, 15 pounds, and then work up. Okay? Now, you're gonna get to a point with your RDLs where as you're on your last set, your fucking forearms are gonna be on fire. That's when you know you need to start lifting heavier weight on your arm days. Because in order to get good hams and good glutes, you need to be lifting heavy on your RDLs. You need to be doing dumbbell RDLs with 25s, 30s, and lifting about 120 pounds on your hams for your RDLs. You're also going to do leg curls on those days. Notice how with both quads and RDLs, I'm giving you exercise that you have to do in the free weight section. I'm sorry, ladies, but you can't linger by the machines all the time. I'm giving you 2 free weight and then 1 machine. That's for a reason. It helps you build the muscle better, okay? If you like your machines, you can stick with your machines. I'm just giving you advice. Then you're going to do glute day. Everyone loves glute day so much. You're gonna do your hip thrusts. You're going to get to a point when you're about 4 months in, going consistently, that you're going to be able to hip thrust your body weight. That's awesome. That's where you want to be, okay? It is realistic to get to your body weight in about 4 months with consistency. If you are adding weight and going to failure, take creatine, please. Take creatine. I don't care what people say against it. Take creatine. Hip thrusts, and then this is the only day I'm going to give you 2 machines. I'm pampering you. Hip and thigh abductors and adductors. And that's your whole glute day. You don't need to be in the gym for 3 hours every leg day. An hour and a half will do it. As long as you're stretching, as long as you're getting those 3 exercises in, as long as you're doing a little bit of cardio, 2 out of those 3 sessions. You're welcome. I just gave you all the advice you need to grow your legs and to have juicy legs. Okay? You're welcome. I'm tired of influencers giving people exercises that are not for novice gym goers. I'm tired of the first exercises that they're giving these novice gym goers being Bulgarian split squats, single leg RDLs, and cable kickbacks. Cable kickbacks, yeah, you can get them down. You can get them down pretty easily. But everyone feels like they're always doing shit at them. And they do this by design. They do it so that you feel like you're not doing these exercises right, because you're probably not, because they're not for novice gym goers. They are for intermediate gym goers to athletes. And then you're going to need their help to get the form down. They give you these exercises for free. And then once you feel like you're failing and you're not getting these exercises right and you're not seeing a lot of differences in 2 months, you're going to pay for their personal training. And that's how they get you. That's how they get you to pay $250, upwards of thousands of dollars to talk to them, so that they can FaceTime you while you're at the gym and tell you your back isn't straight as you're doing your RDL. You need to act like you're shutting a door with your hip. If I had a nickel for every time I've seen that damn ad between just from February 16th alone, I would have $20. I would have $20. Don't pay for these rip-off courses. Get this information through internet forums, through TikToks, through YouTube shorts and YouTube videos, and you will be able to see your legs grow. You cannot spot train fat. You cannot spot train muscle. You have to grow a whole muscle group. Some people are born with a dumper, and some people are born flat as a board. It's to help you in some genetic way, okay? I'm so sorry. Unless you get a BBL, you're not going to look like a grape on a toothpick. I'm tired of these women who have gotten BBLs looking like grapes on toothpicks, telling you how to spot train your glutes. Meanwhile, they have a goddamn BBL. Stop the madness.